What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Shang-Chi for the Legend of the Ten Rings. Let's get started in the center of our page and draw two circles for the eyes. So we start on the top left. Just going to work our way down towards the bottom and curl that back up towards the top. Now leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same thing on the right. So let's line up the top of that circle and bring that down towards the same height and then back up towards the top. Now we're going to add a small highlight circle on the top left side of each eye. So up against the edge of the eye, bring that circle in, and then back out. And line this up on the right side. Let's fill the inside of the eyes in black. Now I'm going to line up at the bottom edge of the eyes, move to the center and draw on the nose. So we'll start on the left, curve the nose coming down, and then back up. Now we're going to move up and draw a shorter curve, going up and then down the bridge of the nose. Let's move down and draw on the mouth. We'll start back over on the left, curve the mouth going up, and then down. And then from the center, we'll step down, draw a short line going across for the lower lip. Let's go back up to the top and draw on the eyebrows. We'll start on the left side, curve the eyebrow coming in, bend that down on the inside, line this up on the right, curve this up, and then out. Let's curl up the inside of the brow. Starting on the left, curve this up and in, go to the right, and do the same thing. Let's add some thickness to the eyebrows. Starting from the outside, we're going to angle up and in, and it'll follow that same curve coming in and then down towards the inside of the brow. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to go back and fill in the eyebrows. Now that we've drawn in the face, let's move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside of the left eye, I'm going to step out. I'm just going to curve this down, in towards the middle, just underneath the mouth. And round up the chin, go out and back up on the right. Now while we're here, let's add a scar underneath the left eye. Starting up here, come down and bend that in. Go back to the outside. I'm just going to curve this down a little bit lower, pull that up on the inside. Let's work our way up along the left side of the head. Starting out here, curve this out and then up. I'm going to add a point of hair. Coming down and in. Taper that back out. And I'll add one more point. Coming down and in. Go out and then up towards the top of the hairline. Now I'm going to brush the hair going out towards the right. Starting up here, curve this down, and then that up. Now I want to create an overlap. I'm going to step back down, curve down in the middle, and bend that up towards the right. And we'll do that one more time. Stepping back, come down, and then up towards the side. Let's go back to the right side, go up, bend that in around the eyebrow, go up, and then in underneath the hair. Now we're going to add the ears on the side. Starting on the left side, curve the ear going up, round up the ear, and then pull that back in towards the side of the head. Let's line this up on the right. Going up, down, and then in. Let's add the folds inside the ear. Starting from the side of the head, start by curving up and then out on either side. Go back to the inside, curve out, and then hook that in. Now we're going to draw the outside of the head, starting on top of the left ear. Curve this out, up, and then in. Let's add a point of hair. going out and then down. Taper that up and in. And then we'll brush the hair going out towards the right. Starting up here, curve up and in with a short line. Taper that back down. And then we'll add a long curve going up and out towards the right. And across towards the middle. Taper that back down. Let's add another point. Going up and then bending that down. Taper that back in towards the side of the head. It's going to round up the right side. We're going to go out, come down along the side, and then in on top of the right ear. Now that we complete the head, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We start on the left side, curve the body going out, and then bring that down towards the left hip, go over towards the right, curve out, and down towards the right hip. Let's go back up to the top and add in the shoulders. From the top of the body, angle down and out with a short line. And then from here, we're just going to curve this down and then in towards the side of the body. Now line up with the hips, move to the center, come all the way down the middle, and draw a curve from left to right, going up and then down. And leaving a small gap in the center, let's go to the left side, curve the left leg going out and down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, curve out and down towards the right heel. Now we're going to round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start from the left heel, curve the foot coming down and then up towards the toe. Let's go back to the left side and curve the top of the foot. And go up. Just going to bend this down, aiming towards the heel, and stop right about there. And then curl that back up towards the inside of the leg. Let's go back up to the hips and round out the side of the leg. Starting from the left side, curve the leg going out, and then down on top of the feet. Now we're going to add a thick sole on the bottom of the feet. We start on the left side, step up, and just trace that same curve of the foot coming back in towards the heel. Now let's add some detail to the body. From the hip, we step down, draw a straight line coming in, and we'll line that up on the right side. And then from the inside, we go straight up, and then bend that out towards the side of the body. From that inside corner, we'll step up, draw a straight line coming in, we'll leave a gap in the center, and we'll pull that up and in towards the middle with a straight line. Let's go all the way up to the top, step down, draw a straight line going across the middle, and we'll angle the collar going up and out underneath the head. Let's go back over towards the left side, step up, draw a straight angled line coming down and in towards the middle, angle that back up towards the right, and then from that center point, draw a straight line coming down. Now I'm going to trace these two lines 2 more times. We step up, come down toward the middle, and back up, and we'll do that once more. And leave a small gap in the center, move over towards the left, angle down and out towards the right, and do the same thing towards the left. From the bottom of that line, we're going to step out, draw an angled line going up. Just going to pull this down towards the bottom on the right, and then the left side. And I come back down to the hips, draw a straight angled line coming up toward that seam, step up, draw that twice. Let's go back to the inside point, step out, follow the same curved leg coming down towards the top of the foot. Now I'm going to move out to the side and draw on the arms. From the top of the shoulder, let's step down, curve the arm coming down, and then out towards the wrist. Let's line this up on the right. And we'll draw the left arm holding the baton. From the wrist, curve the thumb going up, and then down. Round out the tip of the thumb and pull that back up. And then we'll add the edge of the palm. curving down, and then in. Let's take that thumb and flip it over on the right. Start by curving up and then down. Round out the thumb and go back up, and then curve in the palm. And then we'll curl 3 fingers around the outside. Starting from the side of the thumb, start with a half oval, going out and then in, come down towards the bottom, go out, in and up underneath the thumb, and do that one more time. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Now I'm going to place that baton in behind the left hand. Starting from the bottom, let's start with 2 straight lines coming down at an angle. Close off the bottom with a curve. I'm going to continue these 2 lines above the hand. Start with the outside, going all the way up towards the top. Do the same thing on the inside. Close off the top with a curve. Now we want to take that same curve and repeat it 3 more times. So stepping down, all at once, twice, and then a 3rd time. Now we'll close off the bottom of the arm. From the bottom finger, we'll step down, curve the hand coming in and then up towards the wrist. Do the same thing on the right. From the top of the wrist, we'll step down, come in, bend the arm coming up towards the side of the body. Let's line this up on the right. Let's go halfway along the top of the arm, curve the sleeve coming in and then down. Step in, draw that twice. And that's pretty much it. There's Shang-Chi from Marvel's Legend of the Ten Rings. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your request in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.